What if I told you there's a phone that's rewriting the rulebook on smartphone design, merging futuristic aesthetics with powerful performance? Welcome to the future. This is the Nothing Phone 2. From the creators of one of the most disruptive tech brands, Nothing is back with a phone that doesn't just stand out but shines, literally. Is this the best mid-range phone of the year or just a gimmick? Let's break it all down in today's review. First off, let's talk about the design because that's the first thing that catches your eye with the Nothing Phone 2. It carries forward the bold, transparent look of its predecessor, but this time with some refined touches. The back of the phone is where the magic happens, featuring Nothing's unique Glyph interface. Moving on to the display, the Nothing Phone 2 comes with a 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display, boasting a 120Hz refresh rate. This means ultra-smooth scrolling, fluid animations, and an snappy user experience. The display also supports HDR10, so watching content on YouTube, Netflix, or any streaming platform looks vibrant and rich in color. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 2 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, which offers flagship-level performance at a more affordable price. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or running demanding apps, this phone handles it all without breaking a sweat. With up to 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, you've got plenty of room to store apps, photos, and videos. The phone runs on Nothing OS 2.0, a clean, bloatware-free experience that's built to enhance the Android ecosystem. It's simple, sleek, and snappy, exactly what you'd want in a performance-focused phone. Now, let's dive into the camera setup. The Nothing Phone 2 packs a dual camera system on the back, featuring a 50MP main sensor and a 50MP ultra-wide lens. While some might argue that dual cameras are basic in 2024, Nothing proves that it's all about quality, not quantity. The 50MP main sensor captures detailed and vibrant shots in daylight, with excellent color accuracy. Even in low light, the photos come out sharp thanks to its advanced image processing and optical image stabilization OIS. The ultra-wide lens adds versatility, allowing you to capture expansive landscapes or group shots without losing detail. The battery life on the Nothing Phone 2 is another highlight. It's powered by a 4700 mAh battery, which comfortably lasts through a full day of moderate use. From browsing to gaming and media consumption, you won't have to worry about reaching for the charger midday. Of course, we have to circle back to the Glyph interface because this is where the Nothing Phone 2 separates itself from the rest. It's not just a cool visual effect, it's functional. You can set different glyphs for specific contacts or notifications, giving you a quick glance at what's happening without even picking up the phone. So, is the Nothing Phone 2 worth your attention? Absolutely. For those who crave something fresh, something beyond the ordinary smartphone, the Nothing Phone 2 offers a bold design with its Glyph interface, a clean software experience, and powerful performance at a competitive price. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech content, and let me know in the comments if you'd rock the Nothing Phone 2 or if you're sticking with a more traditional design. See you in the next video.